Hey guys, so this is the makeup look that I'm going to be doing today. It's a very neutral, bronzy look that I put on today, and I was, kind of feeling it, so I went through and did a tutorial for you guys. I also, at the end, I kind of showed you how I took out my hair. It was a braid out, and I just used shea butter for this braid out. I let it air dry after I washed and conditioned it, and then after I let it completely air dry, I just braided it with shea butter. So I'll show you the takedown at the end. Yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's very, very simple, very easy. If you want a video on my foundation routine, that will be up shortly as well if it's not out already. If it is, I will make sure I put the link in the description box so you guys can check it out. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time. Bye!